Thus saith the Lord, I return unto Zion, and will dwell in the midst of Jerusalem. And Jerusalem shall be called the city of truth, and the mountain of the Lord of hosts, the holy mountain. 3 times in a year shall all thy males appear before the Lord thy God, in the place which he shall choose, on the feast of unleavened bread, and on the feast of weeks, and on the feast of tabernacles.
This is our homeland where the story of the Jewish people began. I can't hear you.
Birthright Israel is the ultimate team effort. To the Israeli soldiers who come on our trips.
Were not for these people, it wouldn't have happened. It is a great example. If we will it, it is no dream.